Hello, my name is Michael,
And I'm Savannah.
and we are Reincarnations Painted Furniture. We are a small home-based studio in Virginia, and for a number of years I've been producing works of functional art in a number of different forms, and most of them take the form of painted furniture. And here we have a fully painted armoire that will be an example of the types of projects that we're going to be showing on our channel in the future. This is
Our sea-themed armoire.
which is one of many themes that you'll find on our website, the link to which we will include in our description. All of our pieces are fully functional works of art as well as furniture. This piece features 5 drawers that have been shaped into the shapes of different sea creatures, and this rack opens up to reveal an entirely new scene on the inside, which can also serve as a closet. The other side, the sides are fully painted as well. The side features sea turtles, a large friendly eel, and some colorful jellyfish among corals. I'll help you with the other side. And again, it wraps around with a large friendly octopus, rain corals, some large angelfish, and several large jellyfish. This is just, again, one of many themes that we feature on our website. And in the future, what we're going to be doing is presenting how we paint this furniture, and I'm going to be teaching Savannah to paint in the reincarnation style. We'll be bringing different projects to different videos in the future, and we hope that you'll join us.
So if you like the channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
So we hope to see you soon.